In this lecture, we will be working with the checkout fields. So this is our checkout page which we can use for online ordering of food items in our restaurant. Okay, so this is the checkout page where we have many billing addresses. Also, we can add some shipping addresses. So how to change the checkout fields? For example, if you don't want to show your company name or your town or city, or you don't want to give them the postcode, or you want to add any new field like room number, so how to do it? So let me show you how we can customize the checkout fields. Open the admin and navigate to plugins and click on add new. Click on upload plugin. No, wait. Search for checkout field. Now, once you have done, click on install now. Checkout field editor and activate it. Once the plugin is activated, now go to WooCommerce and you will find a new item, checkout form. Click on it. Now once you are in this page, you can see that all the checkout fields that are present on the checkout page are here. Now if you don't want any of the field, you can disable it. For example, click on the tick mark, click on the box, and yeah, if you don't want to show phone number, you can simply click on it and click on disable. Once you click on disable, you can click on save changes to remove those fields. Now they will not be visible and they won't affect the checkout form. Alright, so you can see that two fields, company name as well as the phone number, has been disabled. You can see the first name, country, street, town, state, postcode and email ID. There is no company and no phone number. If you want to delete them, you can also delete them. Remove. Click on the remove and it will be removed. For example, let me try to remove this. So yeah, it's removed. So let's try to add a new field. Click on add new and make it select. Let's create a selectable field. Let's name it billing hotel. Let's label it are you ordering from hotel, and let's add some options. Yes, no. Alright, let's keep it required for now and let's add this. So we have added a new field. Let's see how it works. So you can see we have a new field. Are you ordering from hotel? We can use yes or no. So like that, let's add another field. Let's make it room number. Okay, so here we will ask provide me your room number. Alright, so let's make it not required and let's save it. So now let's refresh it once, and now we have something that we can add. For example, if the person is actually ordering from hotel, he can provide us the room number. Alright, thank you very much.